In this tutorial, I'll walk you through on how to build a professional Shopify store using the Ecomus theme. The Ecomus theme is one of the best premium Shopify themes out there right now. It's sleek, modern, and packed with features that make it super easy to create a clean, conversion-optimized store, even if you've never done this before. We're going to walk through the entire process, from setting up your Shopify account to customizing your theme and getting everything ready to go live. Before we dive into building the store, the first thing we need to do is sign up for Shopify. To make things easy, and to support the channel, just head over to ecomsensei.com/Shopify. This is my affiliate link, and it gives you a special offer, a free trial, plus your first 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. Once you're on that page, enter your email, click Start Free Trial, and follow the steps to set up your store. Shopify will ask a few basic questions about your business. Just answer what you can, and then it'll drop you right into your dashboard. Before we install the theme, it's important to first add the products we'll be featuring in our store. This way, when we start customizing the design later on, we'll already have content to work with, like product images, titles, and prices, which makes the whole setup process a lot easier and more visual. In your Shopify dashboard, look for the Products tab on the left. Then click Add Product. Here you'll enter the product name, write a short description, upload a few images, and set the price. You'll also want to scroll down and adjust things like inventory tracking, variants, and shipping options if you need to. If you've only got a few items, you can just add them manually like this. But if you have a big product catalog, Shopify makes it super easy to upload everything at once using a CSV file. That's actually what I'm doing here. I'm importing my product list via CSV, and it might take a few moments, so just hang tight while everything loads in the background. Once your products are imported, the next step is to organize them. Head over to Collections from your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll group similar products together to make browsing easier for your customers. Next, make a limited edition collection for exclusive designs or time-sensitive releases to create urgency and highlight rarity. Now create a best-selling collection. This is a great way to highlight the watches that are already popular with your customers, adding social proof and encouraging more sales. Finally, set up an editor's picks collection where you can feature hand-picked styles or your personal favorites to guide your customers. Once each collection is created, assign the appropriate products and hit Save after each one. Now it's time to install the Ecomus theme. It's a premium theme and costs around $88. After you've purchased it, you'll receive a downloadable zip file with all the theme assets and instructions. Unzip the theme folder on your computer first. Inside, you'll see the zip file you'll need to upload. Next, go to your Shopify dashboard and in the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This will bring you to the Themes section. From here, scroll down and click on the Add Theme button, then Upload Zip File. A new window will pop up. Go ahead and click Add File. Now, navigate to the folder you extracted earlier and select the zip file that contains the theme. It's important to choose the zip file itself, not the entire folder. Once selected, click Upload File. The upload process may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, the theme will appear in your theme library, ready to customize. Now click Customize to launch the theme editor. Before you can publish it, you'll need to activate the theme using the license key you received after your purchase. To do this, click the gear icon, that's the settings, on the left side of the theme editor. Then expand the Theme Active section and paste your license key into the field provided to activate the theme. After activation, you'll need to publish it to make it your main theme. Just click Save. Then hit Publish. A new window will appear. go ahead and click Save and Publish to confirm and make it your main theme. Once the theme is active, we're ready to access the demo templates. To do that, we'll need to install the Ecomus app from the Shopify App Store. From your Shopify dashboard, under the Apps section in the left-hand menu, click Add Apps. Now here's a quick note. Ecomus won't show up in the recommended list, and that's totally normal. Just scroll all the way down until you see Shopify App Store, and click on that. Once the App Store opens in a new tab, go to the search bar and type in Ecomus. Select the one called Ecomus Upsell and Bundles. Then hit Install. You'll be redirected back to Shopify. Click Install one more time to confirm. Before you can access the demo templates, you'll need to enable the app embed first. To do that, head to the theme editor, then click on App Embeds from the left-hand panel. Look for Ecomus in the list and make sure all the toggle switches are turned on. Once they're enabled, click Save to apply the changes. After that, go back to the Shopify dashboard. Browse through the available demo templates and preview the ones that stand out to you. Once you've found a design that fits your brand, click Select, check the checkbox that appears, and then click Import Demo. When the demo is fully imported, go ahead and click Customize to open the theme editor. From here, you can start tailoring the layout, colors, images, and text to match your brand perfectly. Alright, now let's start building out our store by customizing the top bar. This is the thin strip at the very top of your site, and it's perfect for quick announcements like free shipping on all orders or 10% off this week only. Just click on the top bar section to edit the text. Once you're happy with that, move on to the header section just below. This is your main navigation area, where you'll set your logo, menus, search, and cart icons. This opens up a full set of options for both desktop and mobile on the left. So let's take it one step at a time, starting with desktop settings. First, let's set up the layout. You can choose to align your logo to the left or center. Left feels more traditional, while center gives off a cleaner, modern vibe. I'll go with left aligned for this tutorial. Right below that, turn on full width to stretch the header across the entire screen. It gives your store a more premium and open feel. Next, adjust the main header minimum height. The default 94 pixels works well, but you can tweak this based on your logo size or personal preference. Now, let's upload your logo. Click Select, upload your PNG file, and make sure it has a transparent background so it blends in seamlessly. Now for the main menu layout. I'll center the menu for a clean, balanced look. Set the menu item size to medium, and keep the font weight at medium as well. It's a nice balance between readable and subtle. I'll also turn on uppercase text so all the navigation items appear in caps. This gives the menu a stronger visual presence. Next, enable the drop-down arrows and always show arrows on sub-menu items. This makes it clear which items have additional links underneath. Enable Active Link, so whichever page the user is on gets underlined. A small but helpful visual indicator. Spacing between items is set to 32 pixels, which gives a good amount of breathing room, so I'll leave that as is. For drop-down behavior, I recommend using Hover. It's faster for users on desktop. Mobile will default to click anyway, so no worries there. And lastly, under Group Icons, enable User Account and Wishlist. Those are pretty standard. You can skip Compare unless you're planning to turn that feature on in the theme settings. Alright, that's it for the desktop header. Let's scroll down and move on to customizing the mobile version next. Make sure you've switched to mobile view so you can see the changes in real time. First, adjust the main header minimum height on mobile. It's set to 64 pixels by default. This gives your mobile header enough space without taking up too much of the screen. Next, upload your mobile logo by clicking Select and choosing a file. Make sure your logo is clean and easy to read on smaller screens. Then set the logo mobile width. The default is 110 pixels, which is a good size for most logos. Under Menu Mobile, there's a helpful setting called Only Click Icon. Turning this on means users can tap the link to go straight to a page. and tap the small arrow icon to open submenus. Super useful for mobile navigation. For the color menu mobile, this pulls colors from your theme's palette and usually works well out of the box, but you can tweak it later if needed. One of the standout features of the Ecomus theme is the sticky header option, and by default, it's set to on-scroll up. That means the header will reappear whenever a user scrolls back up, keeping navigation handy without being in the way. If you prefer a different behavior, you can change it to always, which keeps the header locked at the top no matter what, or set it to none if you want it to disappear completely while scrolling. This flexibility is great for tailoring the experience based on your store's layout and mobile needs. Lastly, you'll see the transparent header settings. This is used when you want your header to appear see-through over something like a slideshow or banner. But for this store, we're keeping things simple, so I'll turn this off. This gives the site a cleaner, more consistent look across all pages. Let's now move on to editing the actual header content. You'll notice there's already a drop-down menu set up under Home, but that's not what we want. Instead, we're going to move that drop-down under Catalog. First, click into the Header section. Inside the menu structure, locate the drop-down blocks under Home and delete them. Just click the trash icon next to each one. Now that the drop-downs are cleared, let's go ahead and add a new block. Click Add Block, then choose Mega Menu Shop. Set the title to Catalog so that it appears properly in the navigation bar. Next, link this mega menu to the collections that you've set up. Lastly, configure the settings to match your preferred layout. I'll go with the carousel layout for a modern, scrollable look. But feel free to explore other options like grid or list, depending on your store's style. Once you're happy with the header, we can move on to the next section, the slideshow. Click on the section to open it, then click directly on the image to upload your own. After that, update the text fields to match your store's message, like a headline and short description. You can also change the button text and link it to a product or collection. This is a great spot to highlight promotions, new arrivals, or your best sellers. Make sure to do this for all 3 slides. Click into each one, update the image, edit the headline and subtext, and adjust the button if needed. This ensures your slideshow feels cohesive and branded from start to finish. Next up is the scrolling text section. But instead of keeping that, I want to replace it with a countdown timer. Now click Add section. Use the search bar to look for countdown and select it from the list. This gives you a built-in time-based call to action. Perfect for promos, product drops, or limited time offers. It's one of the many features included with the Ecomus theme, designed to boost urgency and help drive more conversions without needing extra apps. You can customize the date and time here to match your campaign deadline. Just enter the year, month, day, hour, and minute. There's also an option called Animate Number Type. Setting it to Move Top gives the countdown a smooth, animated effect where the numbers slide up as they change. It's a simple way to add a bit of motion and make the timer feel more dynamic. And if you want the countdown to disappear when it ends, just check Hide Timer on Complete. You can even set a custom message to show once it's done. You'll also find other styling options like color schemes, padding, and text formatting. Feel free to adjust those to match the rest of your store. Finally, let's go ahead and delete the scrolling text section. Just click on it, then hit the delete icon. Next up is the banner section. Just like with the other sections, the process is simple. Click directly on the section to start editing. You'll be able to upload your own images, change the text headline, and update any subtext or buttons to fit your offer or collection. This section is perfect for showcasing things like your best-selling products, limited time promotions, or even seasonal drops. If there are multiple blocks in the banner layout, just repeat the same steps for each one. Swap out the image, update the copy, and adjust the links so everything points to the right product or collection. It's all designed to be super flexible and quick to customize. Next up is the Featured Collection section. By default, it might be labeled as New Arrivals, but we're going to switch that out to showcase your best sellers instead. Just click on the section to open the settings. Update the heading to Best Sellers, and the subheading to something like Our Most Loved Timepieces, handpicked by customers like you. After that, configure the layout however you prefer. Then make sure to link the section to your best sellers collection. Once connected, the product images, names, and prices will automatically update based on what's inside that collection. It works just like the other sections. Click to edit, adjust the layout, and connect the right collection. Now we're moving on to the testimonial section. If you want to change the layout or overall look of this part, just click Add Section. Search for testimonials in the bar, and pick the design that fits your store best. Don't forget to delete the existing testimonial section before adding a new one. This keeps your page clean and avoids repeating content. In my case, I'm happy with the layout that's already there, so I'm just going to keep it. To customize, simply click on the testimonial block to edit the text and images. You can update the customer name, quote, and photo to match real reviews or ones you've gathered from past buyers. Next up is the Categories section. Since I'm only selling watches and don't need to break things down into multiple product types, I'll go ahead and delete this section entirely. If your store has a broader catalog, this might be useful. But for a single product focus like mine, keeping the page clean and direct works better. Since we removed the Categories section, you'll notice there's now no space between the icon section and the testimonial section. It looks a bit cramped. To fix that, just click on the icon section, scroll down to the section padding settings, and adjust the top padding by dragging the slider until it matches the bottom padding. This makes the spacing look more balanced and intentional. Also, the icon section looks a little plain right now, so I'm going to give it a bit more personality by enabling the Icon Circle option. Just toggle it on, and you'll see each icon get a colored circular background that adds some visual interest. Next up is the Image Gallery section. To update it, just click on each image one by one and replace them with your own visuals. You can upload lifestyle photos, product shots, or anything else that fits your brand vibe. This section is great for adding some visual storytelling or showing your products in action. Finally, let's customize the footer. This is where you'll manage all the links and info that appear at the bottom of your site. Start by toggling on the elements you want to show, like newsletter sign-up, quick links, contact info, or social icons. And go ahead and delete any sections you don't need. Keep it clean and focused on what's most useful to your customers. Now, switch to the mobile preview. You'll probably notice the footer looks a bit too bulky. To fix that, enable the accordion layout. This collapses the content into expandable sections, making your mobile footer much more compact and easier to navigate. Now let's check out the catalog page. You don't really need to change much here. The default layout is already clean and functional. Just scroll through the page and make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Check that the product grid is aligned, images look sharp, and filters or sorting options, if enabled, are easy to use. If everything looks good, we're all set to move on. Finally, let's take care of the contact page. Right now, it's blank, so we'll add a contact form to make it functional. Click Add section, search for Contact, and select the contact form with text option. Once added, just click on the section to update the text and description to match your brand voice. Now you'll notice the form already includes a heading that says Get in Touch, so the separate Contact heading above it feels a bit redundant. Let's go ahead and delete that block to keep things clean. Make sure to click Save so none of your changes are lost. And that's a wrap. You've just built a clean, high-converting Shopify store using the Ecomus theme, fully customized from top to bottom. This theme is packed with powerful features that make your store look professional and perform even better. From flexible demo templates and countdown timers to carousel mega menus, sticky headers, and mobile-friendly layouts, Ecomus gives you everything you need to launch a premium-looking store without the usual hassle. Whether you're showcasing one product or a full catalog, Ecomus helps you build fast, visually stunning pages that are designed to convert. So before we wrap up, let's quickly go over Shopify's pricing plan so you know what to expect after the trial. First, there's the basic plan, starting at $19 a month when billed yearly. It's great for solo entrepreneurs. You get 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling tools. Third-party card rates start at 2%, and you can try it for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. Next is the Grow plan at $49 a month. It's ideal for small teams and includes 5 extra staff accounts, the same inventory and support, and lowers your card fees to 1%. Then we have the Advanced plan, starting at $299 a month. This one's for scaling businesses. You get 15 staff accounts, local storefront support, and even lower payment fees, down to 0.6%. And finally, there's Shopify Plus at $2,300 a month, built for large, complex businesses with custom needs. No need to decide right away. You can explore all of this risk-free with the 3-month trial at ecomsensei.com/Shopify. Now that your website is fully built with the Ecomus theme, the next step is leveling up with smart tools that can boost your store's performance. That's why I created a video titled Top 3 Must-Have AI Tools for E-commerce Stores in 2025. In that video, I break down 3 powerful AI tools that can help you streamline operations, improve conversions, and automate repetitive tasks, all without needing a big team. I'll drop the link in the description, so be sure to check it out next if you want to take your Shopify store even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.